All right, wish you a very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. You're all welcome to today's Sales Ki Pathshala. My name is Sanjay Singh, and I'm your faculty for today's program. The topic of this program is how do you leverage the power of Quora for social media? Yes, this has been a very favorite topic that many of you have asked in your feedback forms, and that's how we bring this program for you today. As is customary at the beginning of the program, I want to check whether audio visual is all clear or not. So just write audio visual all clear in the chat box. Just write all clear. Audio, visual, PPT, everything is visible to you. All right, all clear. Webhub has sent me all clear. Fantastic. Thank you so much. All clear. Wonderful. We are going to talk on this topic called Quora, and many of you would have heard about Quora, but I do not know how many of you actively use Quora. So let me take a quick vote from all of you. How many of you use Quora? Just write a yes or no. How many of you use Quora? Just write a yes or no. All right. Weber has given a no. How many of you have used Quora? No, 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 not heard before. Okay, Sanjay Agarwal has not heard about it. Okay, Tushar says that he knows about it, but probably he doesn't use it so much. Okay, all right. Fantastic, fantastic, wonderful. Guys are still sleeping. Come on, guys, get up. How many of you have never used Quora before? Yes or no? All right, we still have people rolling into the program. As is customary for the first few minutes, people are always rolling in. All right. Right at the beginning of the program, just like you have Facebook, you have LinkedIn, you have YouTube. So Quora is also a digital platform. The good news is that Quora promises to become a platform which is even more powerful than LinkedIn, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram for certain applications. And today we are going to highlight that what exactly is Quora and how is Quora very beneficial for all of you. All right. So that's where we are going to start it. Okay, Tushar says he's using it. Okay, good, Tushar. So you're going to help me today in taking live examples of the program. Fantastic. What is Quora? Now, Quora is a digital media platform which helps you in social conversations. Now, it's important for all of you to understand that what is this social conversation? Is it the conversation which you do with your friends in a kitty party or in any kind of gathering? Well, it's something similar to that, but social conversations refers to all the conversation which is happening on the social media. All right. And Quora is a digital media platform which helps you in social conversations. Now, there's a question there, how are Quora conversations different from other social media conversations? And this is what we are going to look at today. Now, before we get on to today's program, it is very important for all of us to understand what exactly is social listening. You know, social listening is a phenomena where unknown, invisible persons who may be a part of your target group listen to what you do and say and form their opinion about you without your knowledge. Now, for example, I'm a sales coach, I'm a sales trainer, I'm into corporate trainings. Now, there will be X number of people who are interested in topics like sales coaching, sales mentoring, sales training, and they will come online and listen to what I have to say on particular keywords, and then they will form their own opinion about me without my even knowing whether they have accepted or rejected me. Do you understand the power of social listening? And this is the challenge, friends. In today's world, we have to understand the power of social listening, and we have to understand how are we positively contributing towards social listening, which is in our favor. All right, having said that, see, if you look at the yellow box there, There are people who are your core customers, who have potential to become your core customers. Even they are watching you, even they are listening to you without your knowledge. So it becomes very interesting, isn't it? All right. So, what exactly can you do on Quora? Some of you who have never heard of it, some of you who have heard about it but have not used it before, right? So, okay, there's someone called Ajay Rajak who says, good afternoon. All right, good afternoon, Rajak. It's already good evening now. All right. So, what exactly can you do on Quora? Now, it's important for us to understand that Quora, as the name suggests, is a platform where you can ask questions on any topic or you can give answers to questions on any topic. Now, this makes it very interesting, super interesting actually. You can ask questions on any topic. That's interesting, isn't it? So, whether you want to ask questions on sales, marketing, digital marketing, religion, Hindu, Muslim, BJP, Narendra Modi, any damn topic. You want to know about Ferrari, Lamborghini, sports, what is happening with Manchester United, what is happening in cricket, Virat Kohli, Anushka Sharma, any goddamn topic in the market that comes to your mind, you can ask a question on that topic on Quora. Option one. Option two, you can go to Quora and you are flooded with a lot of questions on Quora. And you can choose to be flooded for a particular type of questions, or you can choose to opt for a particular genre of questions. All right. So when you choose to opt for a particular genre of questions, like let's say in my case, I have opted for sales, marketing, digital marketing, branding, customer service. These are the keywords that I have opted for. So all the questions that will be served to me will be from these domains or these genres. Fine. So I'm just going step by step so that you are able to exactly understand what you are expected to do in Quora. So I log on to Quora. It's a free account. I can get my account on Quora. And then two things that I do, I either ask questions on any topic and I can give answers to any topic. Fantastic. Now, यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा समझ लेते हैं what is the difference of asking a question on Quora and what is the difference of asking the same question on Google, because you can put your questions on Google also. Well, the difference is that when you put a question on Google, Google answers for you. But when you post a question on Quora, Quora is just a platform. So Quora does not give answers. It's people like you and me. It's people who are subject matter experts or even novices. They will give the answers. So it's a real time platform for real time questions and answers. Since it is real time, so you cannot choose the person who's going to answer your question. Although, if you have someone in mind, you can tag that person and post the question specifically to be answered by a particular authority on that subject, right? So you can ask questions on any topic. You can ask that question to anyone, or you can even ask that question to some specific people that you know of. All right, very good. So far, so good. Can you write on the chat box? Can you write on the chat box? So far, so good. Yeah, I just want to go slowly today, guys, because this is a new topic for you. So far, so good. Yeah, SFSG, so far, so good. All right, so far, so good. All right, thank you so much, Mohit, Tushar, Ankita, Sanjay Agarwal. Fantastic, fantastic. Good. Thank you so much. So far, so good. All right, good. Fine. Let's move forward. Now the question is, what do you get? इसके पहले वाले स्लाइड में हमने पता किया कि what can you do? Now let's understand that why should you go to Quora? What do you get back from Quora? So from Quora you will get brand authority. See, if you are a master of a particular subject, like I'm a sales coach, so if I keep on answering questions which belong to the genre of sales and marketing. And if I do it with diligence, if I do it with integrity, then slowly I start getting followers on Quora, and I kind of develop an authority for myself on Quora because the quality of my answers is ratified by the users on a real time basis by clicking on upvote. Yes. So there is a provision for upvote or downvote a question and answer. So at this juncture, let me quickly take you to Quora so that we can actually see how does the platform look. So I'm quickly opening Quora.com. Okay. So I'm quickly opening Quora.com for you. And just confirm to me quickly that you can see my screen. Can you see Quora.com opening there? All right. Okay, so Quora opens there slowly. Okay, fantastic. So that's how Quora looks. So the moment I open Quora, can you see the screen there? ये देखिए ऊपर में यहाँ एक red box है add question. So if you want to add any question, you can click here and you can add a question. Or since I already have an account, you see it is written there Sanjay Singh, and it is asking you what is your question or link. So if I click there and ask a question that what is the importance of Quora in social media marketing, I can ask this question and I will add this question. Okay, so double check your question. So it is doing a double check on spelling. It says your Quora is misspelled. So, okay, I do this. So I use the suggestion. Okay, good. My question is ready to go. Add new question. All right. So verify the topic. I have verified the topic and I'm doing done. Okay. So that question goes there. Okay. Now I have just shown you how to post a question. Now you can see there's a question, what is the importance of Quora in social media marketing? Now, if you are one of the users, you can follow this question, right? So when you click on follow, you will start following the question and all the answers given to this particular question across people from the world will keep on coming to you in your feed. So what can you do to any question that you see? You see there's a question here. What are the most important business and banking services? Now, I have three options. Either I answer this question, or I follow this person, or I pass. If I just click on pass, the question will go. And through artificial intelligence, the Quora platform will understand that there are certain genre of questions which I do not like, and it will stop feeding me with such questions in future. All right, so let's quickly see the template here. You can see on the left hand side, there are certain pages. In Quora, we call it spaces. So just like on LinkedIn or any other platform, you can create your own page. Similarly, in Quora also, you can create your own page. Here we use the word spaces. So if you can see, I have created my own space called beg, borrow or sell. So if I click on this, my space will open up here, and that's my space, beg, borrow or sell. Just like I talked to you on LinkedIn that it has a banner, and it is important for you to have a nice colorful banner which expresses who you are. Your logo and your photograph should be smiling and clean, so all that you know. So that's a space. So going back to the home page, I quickly go back to the home page. All right. So now you understand, on the left hand side, I have got spaces, and these are the spaces which I have opted for. So it's optional. When you create a new account, you will not have spaces. So as you keep on choosing the spaces that you like or the genres that you like, in fact, when you're registering for a new account, they will ask you for your likings and they will reward you with spaces which matches those likings. And subsequently, you can create your own space or you can like more spaces relevant to your genre. All right, very good. I'll just quickly explain the format to you. So here you can see multiple genres, and here you will see multiple questions rolling onto your feed. On the top here, if you look at the top here, right, there is a search box. Now, suppose I want to see spaces in the space of sales and marketing. So I can write here sales and marketing, and the search box of Quora will search all those questions from sales and marketing and feed me. So that's the space, that's the search box there. Now, if you see on the top, you have this bell icon, you have this spaces, and you have the answers. So this, remember, this is the notification icon. So bell icon is for notifications. You see when I click on the bell icon, there are these questions which have been fed to me. Let's read some of the questions. So you see what is the importance of Quora in social media marketing? I just posted this question in front of you. Already I have got an answer from Ronak Patel. You see, can you see here? Ronak Patel answered a question you asked. That's interesting, isn't it? Real time. Just as I'm talking to you, someone has answered. Let's quickly open and see what is the answer he has given. So I clicked on Ronak Patel answers and I get this answer. Quora is question answer forum which can provide content ideas and can also provide some great knowledge. It can also help in generating traffic to a blog or website. Now I have received an answer. Now, as someone who has asked the question, I have either liked the answer or I don't like the answer. So if I like the answer, so it asked me, was this useful answer? Was this a useful answer to your question? Let's assume I write yes. And I have the option of upvote. You see, this is the icon for upvote and this is the icon for downvote. So if I click on upvote, this particular answer gets one vote and Ronak Patel gets that vote. Okay, so the more number of votes that you are able to garner on Quora, the more popular you start becoming, and the more popular that you are, more number of people start following you. I could have given a downvote here. See, this is the icon for downvote. Can you see this? So if I downvote an answer, a -1 vote will go to Ronak Patel. If you see this circle, this is sharing. So if I like this answer, not only for myself, but for others, I can share this. So when I click on share, it gives me the option. Can I share it on my own page? See, this is my own page. I can share it here, or I can share it anywhere else. Like I can see a space for JJ Plast Alloy. So I can share it to JJ Plast Alloy, and this answer would have gone to JJ Plast Alloy space. Fantastic, interesting, isn't it? So you can write your comments, you can share it, you can downvote it, you can upvote it. Fantastic. Now, great, wonderful. Let me just stop sharing here and let me once again take you to my PowerPoint slide, which says what you get. So as I said that I get brand authority. How do I get brand authority? By the number of people who upvote my answers. How do I get followers? Now you know very well. I have shown you practically how you're going to get followers. When people follow your answer and when more and more number of people follow your answers, you get brand followers. How do you get social media traffic? I will show you shortly how do you get social media traffic. Okay, great guys. So far so good. Can I have SFSG? So far so good. So far so good. Yes, so far so good. All right, fantastic. So far so good. Okay, wonderful. Okay, fantastic, good. So now let's take it forward. How do you participate on Quora? करना क्या है? मतलब Quora में आके हमें क्या क्या करना है? So I have given you a list of things that you can do to participate on Quora. Let's look at them one by one. First, upvote an answer if you like it. I just showed you practically how to upvote an answer. Next, downvote an answer if you do not agree. So downvote. I have also shown you how to do downvote. Third is create your own space or page. I have shown you how to create your own space and page. All right. Fourth, give great answers on topics of your choice and competency. I've also shown you how to do that. Share good answers in your own space. I showed you how I shared a good answer on JJ Plastelloy space. Okay. Populate your space with good content. All right. So, in the example which I just showed you, my space was the name of the space was beg, borrow, or sell. So I keep on posting new things on beg, borrow, sell space, which is somewhat equivalent to the page of your company which you have on LinkedIn. Next is create backlinks in your content to improve your SEO ranking. Aha, that's very interesting now. Create backlinks in your content to improve your SEO ranking. I'll get back to this with further details. Generate more social traffic on other digital platforms. Now, these last 2 points are the final takeaway from Quora. क्या है वो दो चीजें? एक, number one, we can create backlinks. Backlink का मतलब क्या होता है? So for those of you who are hearing this term for the first time, backlink is a link on which if any of your follower clicks, he will be rerouted to your other social media pages. So for example, अगर कोरा का किसी सवाल का जवाब देने समय अगर मैं अपने किसी YouTube वीडियो का लिंक डाल देता हूँ, alright, let me quickly show this to you practically so that you can all understand what I'm talking about. So I will quickly go and open Quora for you. Okay, is Quora visible? Is the website visible? Can you all please confirm to me? All right, very good. Is the website visible? Quora visible? Yes, no? Yes. Okay, thank you. So now if you see, I will go to the home page of Quora. Okay. And I will take you to my own space. What is the name of my space? Beg, borrow, or sell. So I take you to my space. Okay, very good. So it's opening up. This is my space, my own space. I'm the admin for this space. And before I take you forward, mind you, you can invite people to follow your space. And when you invite people, you can see the menu here. So when you invite people for your space, you can invite them as your follower, or you can even invite people to become administrator for you, or you can invite people to become contributor for you. So you can invite other people of your genre to contribute officially to your page, or you can invite people to become a moderator for you. Okay, fantastic. Now, if you see, I have opened my space. Now you see on the space, the last posting is today's program that we are just doing, because all my followers should know about this program. If I scroll down further, you see, let me scroll down further. Okay. So let me scroll down further. What is the correct planning to do when, okay, this is someone else has asked. Okay, so this is what is the main reason behind the closure of Atlas Cycle Company. Now this is a question which someone asked me, that why do you think Atlas Cycle had closed? And I gave this answer for them, right? And I attached some old advertisements of Atlas and how it happened. I just want to show you how to create a backlink. So let me just quickly open this screen, because every time you open something, it opens a new box for you. Okay, so I'm once again opening my beg, borrow, or sell page. Okay, let me just scroll down. Okay, so, okay, I just scroll down and see. Okay. Can I? Okay, these are some of the questions which I have answered for other people. I just want to show you. Okay, this big tram train competition. Okay, can I? Okay. So if you see this, what are some ways in which big brands tame competition and innovation in products by smaller players? Now, this is a question which has been asked to me by someone. Okay. Now, while answering this question, I answered it like this. So point wise, drop prices drastically. So these are some of the ways in which someone would fight a small player. And I write all these points 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. And you see now here, small and medium enterprise often worry about non-existent of a structured sales process. Check my video on this topic today called Sales Ki Vidhi. And you see, I have put a link here. Now, this link, what is this link? Because if someone is reading my answer, what will happen? He will go to this link and then curiosity, he will click on the link. So let me click on the link and let me see what happens. What I'm trying to show to you is how does backlinking work. So I click here, and the moment I click here, my YouTube channel opens up. Can you see that? What has opened is my YouTube channel, and this video will open. And you see, I have started talking on Sales Ki Vidhi. So this is the last program of Sales Ki Pathshala. So I have sales process, Sales Ki Vidhi, and now I have created a backlink while giving an answer on Quora to bring the traffic to my YouTube channel. Interesting, isn't it? After the traffic has come here, I will write something here so that this traffic is rerouted to LinkedIn. And then again, I write something in LinkedIn so that the traffic gets rerouted to maybe Instagram, and this entire game of sending traffic from one place to another is what I call backlinking. I want to quickly understand from you. Do you understand what is backlinking? Just write backlinking. Just write a B. Just write a B, and I understand that you will know what is backlinking. Have you understood what is backlinking? All right. So all those of you who are writing B, Rashmi, Vaibhav, Sanjay Agarwal, Shubham, Ankita, Jahir, Palak Shaw. All right, wonderful. Mr. Chalapati Rao, please put your video off. I request you to please put your video off. Thank you so much. All right. So all of you have understood how to create a backlink, right? So now you look at these last two lines. Create backlinks in your content to improve your SEO ranking. So why we are using the word SEO ranking? SEO ranking in simple language means that when someone searches for you on Google or any other search engine, you figure out on the first page or very early in the search so that people can locate you. If you're able to do it, it is said that your search engine optimization is good, or in other words, your SEO is good. So by creating backlinks from Quora to your other social media platforms, you have a chance of improving your SEO score. All right, fantastic, great. Let's move forward. Now, these are certain caveats. What is prohibited? What is prohibited is direct posting of links to promote yourself. So if you go to Quora and if you directly post a link, you know, it should appear that you're giving an answer and your link should be coherent to the answer that you're giving. If you just blindly go and keep on doing a cut paste of your link in every damn question, Quora moderators will catch you and ban you from Quora. Right? So blindly posting links does not create a backlink. It creates banning from Quora. Second thing which is avoidable is plagiarism. If you do a cut paste of content from other posts to your post, you will come under plagiarism, and again you will be banned from Quora. So your content should be original as far as possible. Now, it has happened before that people have done a cut paste from their own LinkedIn blogs, and it has been declared as plagiarism from Quora. For those of you who do not understand the meaning of the word plagiarism, plagiarism का मतलब होता है किसी और के कंटेंट को चोरी करना. तो किसी और का लिखा हुआ कंटेंट अगर आप कट पेस्ट करके अपने कोरा के आंसर में डालते हैं तो ये प्लेगरिज्म के तहत आपको बैन कर दिया जाएगा. The third is showing disrespect or ridicule to any individual. अगर किसी का क्वेश्चन है और आपको बड़ा ही फुद्दू लगता है वो क्वेश्चन, और अगर आपके जवाब में आप किसी को रिडिक्यूल कर रहे हैं, फॉर एग्जाम्पल if someone asks a question, what is the difference between sales and marketing? And if my answer says, oh my God, you don't even know this much, I thought that this is very simple. If I give this kind of an answer, then again Quora will ban me. So Quora has got this code of conduct where you are supposed to show respect to the person who is asking the question, irrespective of the quality of question asked. All right, very good. Of course, foul language or unparliamentary content is not welcome, like any other platform. Here also, it is not welcome. All right, very good. We are 30 minutes into the program, and I just want to see if there are any questions here. Okay, there's a question from Weber. What about people type? Someone else answer. Uh, I really did not get your question, Weber. Are you trying to ask me that can I ask someone else, someone specific to give an answer? Is that your question? So, for example, oh, instead of copy posting, okay. Well, it's the same thing, Weber, whether you're doing copy paste or whether you are typing, because plagiarism में कैसे आपने लिखा वो important नहीं है. Content अगर हु बहु मैच कर रहा है तो वो plagiarism के अंदर आता है. Well, it's very easy to fool Google and internet by changing a few words here and there, by putting an image somewhere. You can still get away with it. But then I do not advise plagiarism because it is not going to give you any kind of brand authority. Okay, Weber, have I answered your question? Just type a yes on the chat box. Ladies and gentlemen, we are halfway into the program, exactly 30 minutes. Please post your questions on the chat box. Very important that you should post your questions on the chat box. Yes, so that I can answer them for you before I move forward. All right, as you are thinking about your questions, I hope there is no sound pollution here, but let me just mute all of you once again. All right, great. Any questions? No more questions, no more questions, no more questions. Okay, wonderful. So what is the topmost advantage of Quora? Let's revise. The topmost advantage of Quora is the SEO of Quora is so strong that if you answer to any question is in the top 5 of Quora, the same figures on the Google search engine if someone searches for the same. थोड़ा सा अंग्रेजी है, मुझे इसको प्रैक्टिकली करके दिखाने दीजिए तो आप इसको समझ पाएंगे कि मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ. मैं ये बोलना चाह रहा हूँ दोस्तों कि ये आ गया गूगल. ठीक है, साधारण क्या होगा, किसी के दिमाग में कोई प्रश्न आता है तो बाय डिफॉल्ट लोग क्या करते हैं, गूगल में जाते हैं. राइट, मेरा गूगल दिख रहा है आप लोग को? जस्ट राइट ए यस ऑन द चैट बॉक्स प्लीज. यस गूगल, कैन यू सी माय गूगल स्क्रीन? ओके, फैंटास्टिक. सो नॉर्मली क्या करते हैं लोग, गूगल में जाएंगे. नाउ सपोज मैंने ये क्वेश्चन पूछा, व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन सेल्स एंड मार्केटिंग. अब देखिए ये सवाल का ये पहले आ गया HubSpot. नॉर्मली जब आप कोई भी सवाल गूगल पे पूछिए तो ऑन द टॉप पेज यू विल नॉर्मली गेट रैंकिंग्स ऑफ दोज पीपल हु आर वेरी पावरफुल, दोज पीपल हु स्पेंड मिलियंस ऑफ रुपीज इन देयर एसईओ. सो देखिए नॉर्मल इंसान का टॉप पेज में आने की संभावना बहुत कम होती है अनलेस कि आपकी एसईओ एकदम टॉप रैंकिंग की है. लेकिन मजे की बात जो मैं आपको दिखाना चाह रहा हूं कि जब किसी आगंतुक ने, व्हेन एनी न्यू विजिटर और एनी न्यू पर्सन हैज गिवन दिस क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन सेल्स एंड मार्केटिंग, तो ये शुरुआत में क्या है, ये विकिपीडिया का digitalmarketing.org आ गया. फिर ये HubSpot आ गया जो कि वर्ल्ड में बड़ा पावरफुल कंपनी है. Inventiva.com, इन टच मार्केटिंग, देखिए ये कुछ लोगों का आ रहा है. और यहाँ पे ये देखिए व्हाट आर द डे, कोरा, देखिए कोरा का भी आ गया, टॉप पेज में आया. अगर आपका जवाब कोरा के टॉप में है तो मैं यहाँ क्लिक करता हूँ कि भाई कोरा ने क्या बताया. As Sanjay Singh, तो possibility of my feeding on the top page is only there if I am spending a lot of money on SEO. But even if I am not doing that, when I post answers on Quora and when someone else asks these questions on Google, which is the most powerful search engine, I still figure in those answers because ये आ गया कोरा की तरफ से. जब मैं इसमें क्लिक करता हूं तो देखिए क्या आता है. क्लिक करने के बाद ये देखिए कोरा के आंसर्स आ जाते हैं. और किसका आंसर दिखेगा यहाँ पे? जिसका आंसर कोरा के टॉप 5 टॉप 10 में है. डू यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आई मीन? अगर मेरा आंसर इनके टॉप 5 टॉप 10 में है तो मैं फिगर हो जाऊंगा. बिना एसईओ में बहुत ज्यादा पैसा खर्चा किए बगैर मैं इस गूगल के सर्च पे फिगर हो जाता हूं. अब इसको थोड़ा और एक बार पढ़िए. द एसईओ ऑफ कोरा, not Sanjay Singh, SEO of Quora is so strong that if your answer, so if Sanjay Singh's answer is there in the top 5 of Quora, then the same will figure on Google search engine even if someone searches for the same, right? Do you understand what I have just tried to show you? Just write a yes or no on the chat box, please. Yes or no. Yes or no on the chat box, please. All right, you have understood what I want to say. Fantastic, fantastic. Guys, are you enjoying today's program? Can I get a boom on the chat box? Can I get a boom on the chat box, please? Okay, all right. So Rashmi gives me a boom, Sanjay Agarwal, Dhirendra Rai, Reena, Palak Shaw. All right, boom, boom, boom. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. It's so much of fun, super awesome, super powerful. These Zoom meetings, YouTube meetings, top advantage of Quora. Now let's understand how to create good content on Quora. क्योंकि हर चीज की तकनीक होती है, हर चीज का तरीका होता है. तो मैं कुछ बुलेट पॉइंट्स आपके साथ शेयर कर रहा हूं. हाउ डू यू क्रिएट अ गुड कंटेंट ऑन Quora? So first, of course, is use YouTube links for videos and podcasts. Very important. So which means कि अगर आपकी खुद की कोई YouTube वीडियो नहीं होगी, अगर आपका खुद का कोई पॉडकास्ट नहीं होगा तो आप क्या करेंगे? Well, अगर कुछ नहीं है तो आप कंटेंट क्रिएटर है ही नहीं. अगर कंटेंट क्रिएटर होते तो आपके कोई ना कोई ब्लॉग्स, कुछ पावर पॉइंट्स, कुछ यूट्यूब वीडियोस, पॉडकास्ट जरूर होंगे. तो अगर आप क्रिएटर नहीं है, कंटेंट क्रिएटर नहीं है, then you start asking questions on Quora rather than trying to answer questions. Okay, if you are answering questions, which means you are creating content. So first is use YouTube links or podcast link. Use images, very important, because सिर्फ text में answer लोग अच्छा नहीं समझते. Use links of slideshare.com. Now slideshare.com is a portal which allows you to store all your PowerPoint slides. So just like YouTube allows you to store all your videos, similarly SlideShare allows you to create genres and store all your PowerPoints. So you can use SlideShare to put your PowerPoints, and SlideShare will give you a link for each PowerPoint, and you can use them in your content when you're creating on Quora. Use case studies in your answer to elucidate. Very important, friends. जब आप कोरा के ऊपर कंटेंट क्रिएट कर रहे हैं और आप किसी प्रश्न का जवाब दे रहे हैं, तो आप अपनी जवाब देते समय अगर if you cite examples of case studies, जैसे मैंने अभी आपको दिखाया था जिसमें मैंने एटलस साइकिल के बंद हो जाने का केस स्टडी को यूज किया था अपने जवाब देने के समय. तो जब मैंने एटलस साइकिल के बंद होने का यूज किया तो मैंने एटलस साइकिल के कुछ पुराने एडवर्टाइजमेंट्स की फोटोग्राफ्स लगाए. दैट एनरिचेस माय कंटेंट. ओके, use these one liner answers are not upvoted. I have never seen a single line answer getting an upvote. इसका मतलब क्या है कि आप जो भी आंसर दे रहे हैं शिद्दत से दीजिए. फोकस, गेट इनटू द आंसर. आप ऐसा समझिए कि फाइनल परीक्षा में ये सवाल आया है और आपको इस सवाल में अच्छे नंबर लाने हैं, तो पूरा दिल लगा के इस प्रश्न का जवाब देना है. So elucidate your answer with case studies, with images, with YouTube links, with PowerPoints, and make it a very strong, impactful answer. मैं जब भी कोरा में कोई जवाब देता हूं तो दिमाग में मैं ये रखता हूं कि मेरी टीचर सामने बैठी है और मैं ऐसा जवाब देना चाहता हूं मेरे टीचर बोले कि शाबाश संजय, क्या जवाब दिया तुमने, बहुत मजा आ गया, शाबाश संजय, you have researched the topic very well and given a very well informed answer. which is backed with the right kind of data, the right kind of video, the right kind of PowerPoint. Interesting, isn't it? So use your blogs for answering questions. Your answers should disrupt and not say the normal. This is very interesting. जब आप कोई अपना जवाब नॉर्मल जवाब होता है, लोगों को मजा नहीं आता पढ़ने में, तो आपके जवाब को डिसरप्टिव जवाब बनाना पड़ेगा. What do I mean by this? So for example, if someone asks me a simple question that what is the difference between sales and marketing, तो उसका एक नॉर्मल जवाब है कि सेल्स इज अ पार्ट ऑफ मार्केटिंग, एंड व्हेन यू ब्रिंग रेवेन्यू देन यू आर सेलिंग, व्हेन यू आर मेकिंग योर ब्रांड नोन देन यू आर मार्केटिंग, एंड ब्ला 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 ब्ला. बट ये जवाब दिया तो मुझे कोई अथॉरिटी नहीं आई. सो मैं इस जवाब को अगर अगर डिसरप्ट करना चाहता हूं, तो this question, the answer, I will start with a disruptive statement which is not a normal statement, right? So I may start this question that so sales is everything that brings in revenue to your organization, and marketing is everything else that you help to do sales. थोड़ा सा डिसरप्टिव है. अब इसमें मैं एग्जांपल दूंगा, एलुसिडेट करूंगा, चीजों को आगे बढ़ाऊंगा. So I'm sure you understand how to create good content on Quora. जब तक आप करेंगे नहीं तब तक समझ में नहीं आएगा. आज के सेल्स की पाठशाला का संदर्भ है that all of you should start making use of Quora. So I have exactly 20 minutes into the program today, and I want to share 10 hacks for using Quora. And I have prepared these hacks from a perspective that all of you are new users for Quora. So I'll quickly share 10 hacks with you. Meanwhile, let me see the chat box if there's any pending question for me to answer. Oh, I have a lot of booms there. Boom, boom, boom. All right. Thank you so much. All right. So we are all ready for 10 hacks. Hack number 1. Attempt to answer questions on which you can add value. So don't answer questions if you cannot add value. And for me, adding value is either through a case study or through a proper research, and of course by using a lucid language and presentation. तो किस तरीके से आप अपने जवाब को लिख रहे हैं, ये भी बहुत important है. And the good news is that those of you who do not like English, don't worry. Quora offers you 12 Indian languages. So you can operate Quora in Hindi, in Bengali, in Odia, in 12 Indian languages. Good news, isn't it? अब यहाँ अंग्रेजी की नहीं चलेगी. But in case you choose to use the English platform, then your English must be correct. I'm not looking at bombastic language, but at least I'm looking at grammatically correct presented English, nicely spaced out paragraphs. एकदम ऐसा puzzle, एकदम ऐसा high density text नहीं होनी चाहिए. I'm sure you understand that. So hack number 1. Are you through with hack number 1? Just write 1. After every hack, just write the number so that I know that you've understood it and I can take it forward. All right. So I get a hack number 1. Rashmi, Weber, Sanjay Agarwal. Okay. Jahir. Okay. Ankita Thakur. Fantastic. Hack number 2. Do not waste time in answering questions which were asked long time back. You know, Quora का मजा क्या है कि आपने 2010 में कोई सवाल पूछा तो वो सवाल भी Quora के प्लेटफॉर्म में पड़ा रहता है. तो बहुत बार लोग कोई बहुत पुराने सवाल का जवाब देते हैं. अब मान लीजिए कि किसी ने कोई सवाल 2014 में पूछा, अब यहाँ 2021 चल रही है, तो हो सकता है उस जिसने पूछा था उसको जवाब मिल गया और बहुत सारे जवाब मिल गए. अब इतने पुराने क्वेश्चन को आज आप अगर गड़े मुर्दे उखाड़ के आज सवाल का जवाब देंगे, maybe your effort will go waste because maybe there are no takers for reading those answers. So always check the vintage of a question. Vintage मतलब कितना पुराना क्वेश्चन है. और normally as a practice, क्वेश्चन अगर 3 महीने से पुराना हो गया तो मैं उसको टॉप प्रायोरिटी नहीं देता हूं. 6 महीने से पुराने क्वेश्चन को मैं हाथ ही नहीं लगाता हूं. चेक करंट ट्रैफिक ऑन द क्वेश्चन. कुछ पुराने क्वेश्चंस हैं जो कि हरफन मौला क्वेश्चन है, एवरग्रीन क्वेश्चंस, तो आप थोड़ी सी ट्रैफिक भी देख लीजिए. हो सकता है क्वेश्चन बहुत पुराना है लेकिन आज भी बहुत सारे अप वोटिंग उसको हो रही है. द क्वेश्चन इज स्टिल वैलिड, यू कैन स्टिल अटेम्प्ट दैट क्वेश्चन. All right, very good. Hack number 2. Is it clear? Hack number 2, is it clear? Fantastic, fantastic. Shubham Chirde. Okay, fantastic. Hack number 2. Let's move on to hack number 3. Always generate backlinks in every answer that you give. एक भी मौका छोड़ना नहीं है. अपने हर जवाब में backlinks create कीजिए, because one of the top advantage of Quora is to get backlinks on other social media platforms so that your overall SEO increases. All right. Hack number 3 on the chat box. Hack number 3. Okay. All right. Thank you. Thank you. Shubham Chirde is very active today. Dhirendra Rai, Sanjay Agarwal, Ankita Thakur. Okay. Thank you so much. Saurabh Srivastav. Hack number 4. Follow all spaces in your genre which have high traffic. जैसे मैंने आपको दिखाया, मेरी खुद की स्पेस थी बैकबोरो और सेल. उसी तरीके से आप अपना अलग अलग स्पेस जो आपके जॉनर का है, जैसे मैंने देखा कि एक स्पेस क्रिएट था जेजे प्लास्ट एलॉय. इट्स नॉट अ गुड नेम फॉर अ स्पेस, धीरेन्द्र. you should put those names on this of the space which are your keywords. So धीरेन्द्र राय, आप जेजे प्लास्ट एलॉय का सोशल मीडिया देखते हैं, अगर आपकी स्पेस का नाम होगा कलर मास्टर बैचेस या मास्टर बैचेस एंड पॉलीमर्स, पॉलीमर कंपाउंड, तो वो बड़ा अच्छा नाम होगा, क्योंकि उस कीवर्ड को सर्च करके लोग आपके पास आएंगे. तो बहरहाल हैक नंबर 4 है कि आप जब शुरू करते हैं तो वो सारे स्पेसेस जिसमें कि आपके स्पेस का कीवर्ड है उसको जरूर लिखिए और उसकी ट्रैफिक आपको जनरेट होगी. हैक नंबर 5. हैक नंबर 4 का ले लो पहले. चैट बॉक्स. हैक नंबर 4. Number 4 on the chat box, please. Okay, all right, okay, good. Hack number 5. Maintain a table of answers with the respective upvotes. यानी कि जितने भी आपने आंसर दिए हैं उसका एक एक्सेल शीट मेंटेन कीजिए कि कितने अपवोट्स हुए, क्योंकि the success of your answer depends on the number of upvotes that you get. जब आपके किसी एक जवाब में ज्यादा अपवोट्स मिलते हैं तो उस जवाब पे आप थोड़ा और एक्टिव हो जाइए, उस जवाब पे कुछ और कंटेंट पुश कीजिए, क्योंकि ऐसा कोई कानून नहीं है कि एक क्वेश्चन का आप एक ही जवाब दे सकते हैं. आप किसी एक क्वेश्चन के 10 बार जवाब दे सकते हैं जब आपको मालूम है कि the last answer given by you has been appreciated by people. You can keep on pushing more content on that question and people will keep on upvoting you. Fantastic. Hack number 5 on the chat box. Hack number 5. Okay, 5 done. Shubham Chede has understood what I mean. Hack number 6. Never downvote any answer. Just ignore bad answers. I don't want to downvote, क्योंकि क्या होता है ना कि जब आप किसी के आंसर को डाउनवोट करते हो तो उसे अच्छा नहीं लगता, वो जाके आपके बहुत सारे आंसर को डाउनवोट कर देता है. Now, ये बदले की भावना तो मानसिकता है भाई. There are a lot of human beings who have this बदले की भावना. मैं क्यों किसी की बदले की भावना से खेलूं? मैं किसी के आंसर को डाउनवोट करता ही, मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगा मैं उसको इग्नोर करता हूं. I don't downvote. Hack number 6 on the chat box. Hack number 6. Okay, all right, very good. Hack number 7. Your ID on Quora should be uniform with other social media platforms. Yes, friends, this is something to do with branding. So whatever name you make use of to identify yourself on social media should be uniform. Like in my case, I use the name Sanjay for sales. Because Sanjay बड़ा common नाम है, मुझे कहीं भी Sanjay available नहीं मिलता, तो Sanjay और sales को जोड़ दिया मैंने for से. So Sanjay for sales. If you go to LinkedIn, go to Facebook, Instagram, wherever you go, Twitter, and you write Sanjay for sales, you will get my handle. All right. So hack number 7, use a uniform ID on your spaces. Hack number 7. All right. Shubham Chirde has already mentioned 7. I think Shubham is the only one who has done 7. Okay. Dhirendra Rai, Vaibhav, Ankita Thakur. All right. Hack number 8. What is hack number 8? Consistency gets results. आप सोचेंगे कि कल से आप कोरा चालू करते हैं और परसों से आपकी बैकलिंक्स इतनी स्ट्रांग हो जाएगी Day after tomorrow, you'll start ranking on top page of Google search. Day after tomorrow, your SEO will improve. Day after tomorrow, your brand authority will increase. No, sorry, it won't happen, my friends. It needs at least 6 months. So you have to commit 30 minutes on Quora every day. So that's why if you see when I started the program on the cover page, I said 30-minute challenge. You do a 30 minutes on Quora every day and you see the wonderful results that you get. Hack number 8 on the chat box. Hack number 8. All right, Ayush, Saurabh Srivastav, Sanjay Agarwal. Fantastic, guys. Already for 50 minutes into the program. Quickly, hack number 9. Engage your Quora followers on other social media and keep track of the same. Now, this is my hack number 9. Suppose one of you starts following me on Quora. Should I keep quiet? No, what do? I take your ID from Quora and I send you a request that what is your ID on LinkedIn or what is your ID on Instagram? And then I go and make you my friend on Instagram, on LinkedIn, on YouTube, everywhere on social media. यानी कि एक फॉलोअर मुझे कोरा पे मिला तो मैंने उसका एक एक फॉलोअर अपने हर सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म पे क्रिएट कर लिया. So what I mean by hack number 9 is that you should leverage on your Quora followers to improve your fan following on other social media platforms. Fantastic. Hack number 9 on the chat box. Hack number 9. Thank you so much. Ayush, Rashmi, Ankita, Shubham. All right. Okay, great. And let's come to hack number 10. Schedule your content on Quora by making use of queue option. Yes, friends, this is a very unique option given only by Quora. So you can schedule. आप किसी बार छुट्टी के समय या कभी आप खाली बैठे हैं, आपने एक ही साथ 10-12 आंसर लिख दिए या आप अपने स्पेस पे 10-12 कंटेंट लिख दिया, आप उसको क्यू कर सकते हैं क्योंकि सोशल मीडिया पे रिजल्ट्स तभी मिलती है जब एक रेगुलरिटी से कंटेंट पुश होता है. So what I advise is 5 posts every day on Quora, which is spaced out every 4 hours, right? Why do you want to space out your postings? You could have posted everything together. No. You see, different social media users have different user usage pattern. So youngsters are very active after 9 p.m. Office going people are very active during office hours. Old people are very active in the morning because they have nothing much to do early morning. So when you space your content across the day, the chances of you meeting all your followers is high. So schedule your content on Quora by making use of queue option. This option is not provided by any other social media platform. For other social media platforms, you have to use other portals like hotsuite.com, buffer.com, and then queue your content to other social media platforms. But in Quora, you don't have to do that. Right inside Quora, you have the queue option. Hack number 10 on the chat box. Hack number 10, guys. We have 7 more minutes to continue with this program. All right, fantastic. So let's quickly revise what did we do in today's class. What did we do in today's class? Recap number 1. We understood what is Quora. What can Quora do for me? How can I participate in Quora? And what are the do's and don'ts of Quora? This is what we understood in the first stage of today's program. Recap number 2. We tried to understand what is the advantage of Quora. And we said that Quora helps us in getting a brand authority. It also helps our brand being followed by a lot of people. And then we also mentioned that we are able to create backlinks through Quora and improve your SEO rankings on social media. Then recap number 3, give and get, which means that how do you give answers to questions posted by others and how do you get answers to questions posted by you. So it's a give and get platform and the currency of exchange is questions and answers. So give and get Q&A is what recap 3 talks all about. And recap number 4, the 10 Quora hacks. So we discussed 10 specific hacks on how you can make use of Quora as a beginner. And that's how we came to an end to today's program, friends. Towards the end of the program, I would like to say increase your Quora index. All the best. It's very important that each one of us start taking our baby steps on Quora and improve our Quora index at the earliest. So that brings me to an end to today's program, friends. For those of you who have come to Sales Ki Pathshala for the first time, let me educate you that Sales Ki Pathshala happens on every Wednesday from 4 to 5 p.m. And many of you have been getting free links to participate in the program. Since Diwali, we have kept gates open for a lot of you. But then let me inform you that we have an annual corporate package, and you can email me to know more details about the annual corporate package. Why do you need an annual corporate package? Because by making use of this package, you can allow all members of your company to participate on this weekly Sales Ki Pathshala. And that is how you need this annual package. All right. Thank you very much, friend. This is the time for us to stop this sharing and to open all bars. So you can now put your videos on. You can talk to me. You can put your questions. So please unmute yourself. Please start your videos. And let's have a live round of feedback on whatever we did today, which is what we'll get onto the program. Good, I can see Saurav there. So all of you, please put your videos on.
अभी मतलब वो मांगेंगे सबसे
on so that I can quickly have your feedback. All right, Mr. Rao, good evening. I'm seeing you after a long, long time. I think you are with Neeri, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, you're on mute, Mr. Rao. You're on mute. I can't hear you, Mr. Rao.
Yeah, I am from Neeri. It's a very nice presentation and happy to
Thank you so much, sir. Thank
be
you
with
so
you
much.
again.
Thank you so much. Mr. Rao is himself a very good consultant. He consults people on environmental matters. So you're welcome to the program, sir. All right,
Okay.
friends. As I advised, as I told you that towards the end we'll have a live Q&A. So मैं कोरा तो नहीं बन सकता हूँ आपके लिए, बट आपके जो सवाल जवाब है आज की सेशन को लेके उसका जवाब जरूर देने की कोशिश कर सकता हूँ. So please put your videos on and post your questions for me. Okay, I get a question from Shubham Chirde. Thank you, Sanjay sir. What exactly is now understood? Thanks again for sharing your knowledge with us. Okay, Shubham, thank you so much. Wonderful. So any questions that anyone of you wants to ask? I can hear a lot of mic sound, but I don't see any question coming from anyone. So I'll just take a count of 5, and if I don't get any question, then I will say goodbye to all of you. All right, Sanjay Agarwal, any question there? At the beginning of the program, you said that you had not heard of Quora. So
yes, I now got some idea now about this Quora. Although I started using LinkedIn properly, so this can also be a good platform.
very good. And let me inform you, Sanjay Agarwal, and the rest of you, that statistics shows that Quora promises to become the most important social media platform in the coming 6 months' time. This is the kind of traction that Quora is getting. And for sure, Quora is the best platform to generate backlinks and improve your SEO. So that goes without saying. All right, very good. Shaurav Srivastav, you're looking very smart there, nicely tied up.
Thank you,
Yeah,
sir.
what is your feedback on today's program?
Sir, this program is very nice and I hope, sorry, मतलब मैं ये कोरा जरूर यूज करूंगा सर और बस सर ज़्यादा नहीं बोलता.
All right, very good. I can see Ayush after a long time. Ayush, are you a user of Quora?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Tushar Suratkar, all the way from Kashipur, Uttarakhand. Tushar, आपने शुरू में बताया कि आप ऑलरेडी कोरा यूज करते हैं, तो आज के सेशन में आपको कुछ भी नया मिला या जितना आपको पता था वो रिवाइज हो गया? I can't hear you, तुषार. आपका वॉइस नहीं आ रहा है. No, you're not audible. Tushar, you're not audible. All right, Mr. Vaibhav, that's a new face. I was thinking that this is Vaibhav Pathak, but this is a new Vaibhav. Vaibhav, can you quickly introduce yourself? Which company? Which city?
Yeah, I'm from Filter Specialists India. Actually, we are into industrial filtration solutions. So those goes into different industrial domains.
Oh, okay. You're Vaibhav Ingve.
Weber, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, actually, I know before the program, I actually asked the question whether that this platform, I never used Quora as such, and the way you explained, I got to know a lot about it, to be frank. But the question is same. Majority of the social medias are B2C type. When it comes to industrial domain, how it will be useful. So that was my question earlier. I think
See,
you have
it's
answered that.
important for you to understand that feeling that everything is B2C is not right. How you can use it? You can use it to generate or develop a brand authority in the domain of air filters. Since you deal
Okay.
with air filters, so you can create a page for space for air filters, and you can post questions and give your own answers. See, what do you do on the space? You post your own meaningful questions and give your own relevant answers.
Okay.
जो लोग एयर फिल्टर के धंधे में है वो आपके आंसर पढ़ने लगेंगे, फॉलो करने लगेंगे और धीरे धीरे आपकी ब्रांड अथॉरिटी कायम हो जाएगी.
Okay.
देखिए वैभव, आपको ये समझना जरूरी है कि आपको कोरा से कुछ मिलता है कि नहीं, लेकिन कोरा से एसईओ रैंकिंग मिल रही है. तो अगर कोई गूगल में जाके एयर फिल्टर को सर्च करेगा,
Okay.
और उसकी सर्च से मिलता जुलता क्वेश्चन आंसर आपने ऑलरेडी किया है कोरा में, तो चांसेस की आपकी आंसर टॉप 5 में फिगर करेगी और आप गूगल के सर्च के टॉप पेज में आ जाओगे.
Yeah, that could be the chances. Once you are starting,
which is a very big thing. People spend lakhs of rupees to come on the top page. Just by following Quora, you can come on the top page of Google search, and you can develop your authority in your domain.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah,
So B2B players do the same thing on LinkedIn. They do the same thing on Quora. You are developing your brand authority.
Yeah, definitely. I understood a lot of things. I mostly use Quora for some knowing some answers, but not no majority. I don't know, never using it. But now I know enlightened about it. So
all right, fantastic. I got your message. Tushar says it's a good crash course for me. So good, Tushar. It's a crash course for you. I hope it has not crashed you. All right, very good. Yes, Mohit Srivastav. Any response?
Thank you so much, sir. Always getting a very, very nice topic from your side. And we are very glad to hear you.
Good. I'll also become happy when you start using it practically and then you're able to generate more business. Right, friends? We are 2 minutes past 5. Time for us to say goodbye. Please
Thank you, sir.
do keep on joining this space every week, Wednesday, 4 to 5 p.m. We come to you with a new topic on sales. For today, it was how to leverage the power of Quora for your social media marketing. Take good care of yourself and take very special care of all senior citizens around you because COVID is still there. And I wish and pray all your best of health with a hope that I see all of you on the upcoming Wednesday at 4 p.m. sharp. Same place, same time, YouTube and Zoom. Thank you so much. Namaskar.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Good evening.